Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's bubble tutorial, we're going to go over how to convert an element to a PDF in about under 60 seconds, I'd say. So just to show you guys a demo first, we're over here on the demo page of the plugin, and the plugin is going to be element to PDF by Brandarrow. So in this demo page, we just have an invoice element. You can see this is an actual bubble element. And let's say we want to download this as a PDF. So we have two options here. Auto download and upload. I'm not going to set it to auto download because I don't want it to download to my computer right now, but we're just going to see how it works to convert this to a PDF. So we're going to select only upload, hit download, and it's telling us that it's loading our PDF. And there we go. We have an uploaded file URL. So let's go ahead and click this. And boom, perfect. So we know that it's uploaded to Bubble now because we can see it's on the Bubble Content Delivery Network. And we can see it's a PDF directly of our element that you're seeing here, copying all the images and everything else directly from the element. Perfect. So let's go over how to build this. All right, so I'm over here in my Bubble editor now where I'd like to incorporate this element into functionality where I can print it as a PDF or download it as a PDF. So this is just a simple page that I've built, and it's got a little invoice here that would appear possibly after purchasing services. So it's a standard bubble element with just a bunch of static values I've put together that resembles an invoice. All right, so to start, we're going to first install the plugin. So we're going to search for it. It's going to be element to PDF. This is the one, and it's going to be by Brandarrow Agency. We're going to hit install on that. Then we're going to go over here to search assets, and we're going to go ahead and drag this plugin anywhere into the page. So I'm just going to put it up here. And we can set its width and height to 1 to make it invisible on rendering on the front end. Cool. Now we want to set up a workflow to download this or upload this as a PDF. So we already have a button here called download invoice. So that's where I'm going to set it up. So we'll hit edit workflow. We'll click plus, and we will do create PDF from element. Click that. Perfect. And then select the element we just added to the page. It'll auto select unless you have multiple. Now, first and foremost, we're going to have to add the HTML element ID for the element we want. So you want to go to the highest level. So for us, we don't want this entire page. We just want this white box over here. So I'm going to select that. And so when I select it, you can see the bubble has bordered it around, which means I know this is what I'd like to print. So I went ahead and added an HTML ID to it, but if you haven't, just go over here to ID attribute and just type in anything. So I'm just going to type in my invoice, and we're going to copy that, go to workflow, and we can just paste that in right here, just like that. Now for the PDF file's name, you could name this dynamically, obviously, depending on what the service is or a package bot or the user or whatever. I would just be able to hit insert dynamic value. But in our case, we don't need to do anything like that. So we're just going to do YouTube demo as the PDF file's name. And we don't want to suffix it with .pdf. The plugin will do that by itself. Cool. So now we have the auto download option. I'm going to turn this off just because I just don't want it to download. I've got plenty of things on my computer already. But if you were to select yes on this, it will automatically download the PDF alongside uploading it as well. Cool. So here is attaching it to an object. So optionally, if you wanted, you could upload this file to a certain bubble object. So only the object is able to access the PDF internally from Bubble. So a certain user or a data type of organization or company or administrator, anything of that sort would only be able to access it. But for us, that doesn't matter right now. So we're going to leave that. Cool. So now when we've done this, what's happening is when the download invoice button is clicked, it's going to create the PDF and upload it. But we also want to open the PDF for the user likely, right? So to do that, we're going to create a new workflow. In our new workflow, we're going to go to new event elements, and we're going to select an element to PDF has finished generating. So this is an element event that gets triggered when our step from the first workflow, create PDF from element, finishes. So when it finishes, this event gets triggered so we know that the PDF has finished generating, and we can either download it for the user, open it, save it, whatever we need to. So here we're going to click the plus, and we're going to open it in an external website because we know we just want to show it to our user for the sake of this demo. So we're going to choose a destination, and in that we're going to choose element PDF A's uploaded PDF URL. And now because of the way Bubble sends back the uploaded PDF URL, we're going to have to prefix this with HTTPS. So HTTPS, and then we're going to go ahead and add the element PDF A's uploaded PDF URL, and we're going to do open in a new tab. Then we can go back to our demo app, refresh it, and we can go ahead and test out our new implementation. All right, so we're in our demo app, and I'm going to go ahead and click our download invoice button now, which should render this element of our invoice number 123 as a PDF. And there we go. So now we can see the PDF version of our element one-to-one, and it's even going to have the images and the finer details. And this is going to be a pretty high quality PDF in general. And it also gets uploaded to our Bubble database. If we go over here to Data and File Manager, there's quite a bit here, but you can see the topmost one is the one that we just uploaded, and we can go ahead and open that again as well. And for the sake of our demo, we haven't attached it to anything, but if it was attached to something, it would show up here. So it just gets uploaded to Bubble just like any other file. Now, last but not least, there is also a loading state that is exposed within this plugin element. So over here in our plugin demo page, if I select only upload and you watch this loading state in the back, when I click download, you can see it switch to yes. We see a nice little UX UI for showing that the plugin is loading, and then as soon as that's done, it goes away and we have an uploaded file URL. So that's also something you'd implement to improve the user experience. That's all for this plugin tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. And if you have any questions about the plugin, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.